Hello, my name is Lindsay Buse, and this is my presentation on teaching philosophies. My aspirations, goals, and objectives are to make an impact on my students, and I want to be a preschool teacher, and I actually want to teach my students something. The aspirations for my students is be able to learn from me, be able to use what I taught them in the real world, and reach their full potential. My methods to reach this is working hard, form a relationship with and bond with my students, study, do not give up, and help my students if they have questions. Assessing student understanding. According to Briggs 2014, there are 21 ways to check for student understanding. I listed ones I think would be important. One would be ask students to reflect on what was discussed in class, ask students to summarize what they have learned, hand signals, which can help know if students are learning the content. Four corners can help a teacher ask questions and students answering by moving to the correct corner. One question quiz can help answer questions about what students has learned, and journal reflections can help students reflect on what we have discussed. How do I see teaching in my discipline? By greeting my students every morning and afternoon, get a student's attention before starting a lesson or activity, use positive presence, model the behaviors that I want in my classroom, use low profile intervention, and send positive iMessages. And according to Staff 2019, there are many steps for achieving and maintaining this discipline. How will I improve my teaching? I will improve my teaching by trying to figure out what the problem is and try to fix it, listen to my students' ideas and problems, and adapt and create what works in my classroom, and learn about my classroom and students. Brigham Young University shares 3 ways you can improve your teaching. Encourage active and practical learning, provide meaningful student and teacher interactions, and make course explanations clear and based on learning outcomes. And these are my references. Thank you for watching.